The research strategy that employed here is as a survey. It is popular and common strategy in business research that allow the collection of large amount of data from sizable population in highly economic way based on questionnaire. Data are standardized and allows easy comparison. The primary data and secondary data. The major sources of data are primary. When a structured questionnaire is designed and administered to the selected respondent, the sampling was random. Then by using convenience sampling, I choose 6 tourism agencies randomly. The proportion of tourism agency and customers are 1:100. Therefore, there are 600 customers. Questionnaires have fixed and distributed among tourists. The quantitative data of relation between the income and the type of tour is divided. The income group have been classified into 0 to 4 categories. First category is low income group. Second one is the less than rupees 20,000. Third one is rupees 20,000 to 30,000. Next one is the 30,000 to 40,000. And last one is the 40,000 and above. Similarly, the tour types have been classified from 0 to 3. Number 1 tour category is the economical. Second one tour category is the deluxe. And third one is the luxury or premium. And according to this data analysis, the interpretation, the percentage of tour going customers in different income groups. Suppose for no earning group, for no earnings, 71.45% customers prefer the economy tours. Only 19.38% no earning groups prefer the deluxe, and only 9.18% prefer the luxury premiums. For the income group less than 20,000, 60.85% prefer the economy, 23.48 prefers the 15.65 prefers the deluxe, and 23.48 prefers the luxury or premium tours. For the income group between 20 to 30,000, only 23.49 prefers the economy group, economy tour, 50.42% prefers the deluxe, and only 15.12% prefer the luxury or premium. For the income group between 30 to 40,000, only 18.46 prefer the economy tour, then 50.76% prefer the deluxe tour, and 30.76 prefer the luxury or premium. Like for 40,000 and onwards, only 24.32 prefers the economy tour. Deluxe, for deluxe 54.05% prefer the deluxe, and only 21.62% prefer the luxury or premium tours. The choice of transport, according to that the findings are different. Only 82 out of 90 prefer the road transport for the low income group, and total out of 390 preferred road transport, means 65%, 14.50% and 20.5% prefer road transport, railway could grab, and air transportation respectively. The results for this behavior can be appended as given below. Due to it is only because due to the intrastate tourism, the tourist might have preferred the road transportation. In road transportation, the guides are always in touch with the tourist, but in the air transport, to keep low cost, the low freight services are used. That is not all focusing on the CRM. Tourists from Nashik may prefer local or intrastate tourism on large scale, as most of the population is working class there. From this chart, you can see the customers which are not satisfied or partly satisfied or fully satisfied. Actually, these are these 6 travel agencies which I selected: Kesari Tours, Chaudhary Yatra, Girikand, Durwangpur, Prasanna Tours and Priya Tours. And for Kesari Tours, the not satisfied customer is only 4%, and out of 100, that is, and partly satisfied customers are 12, and 84 customers are fully satisfied. For Saudari Yatra, not satisfied customers are 5, partly satisfied are 22, and 73 are the fully satisfied. For Girikan, not satisfied customers are 9, 6 are partly satisfied, and 85% are fully satisfied. For Durangpur, 8 and 8 customers are not satisfied and partly satisfied, and 84 are the fully satisfied. For Prasanna Tours, only 2 customers are not satisfied, 13 customers are partly satisfied, and 85 customers are fully satisfied. And for Priya Tours, 6 customers are not satisfied, 21 customers are partly satisfied, and 73 customers are fully satisfied. The findings from this data is that 5.7%, 13.7% and 80.6% are not satisfied, partly satisfied and fully satisfied from the samples respectively. Data was analyzed statistically by using the chi-square test. Prasanna Travels has exhibited the best ratio of fully satisfied to not satisfied. On the same hand, Girikan and Kesari are falling respectively. The expect Saudari Yatra and Priya percentage of fully satisfied tourists is great. That is 85% for each Prasanna and Girikan, and 89.4% each for Kesari Tours and Durangpur. The findings from that data is that Saudari and Priya, being the low cost, concentration not on CRM during the tour or after the tour, the concentration is only on the low cost, and partly satisfied percentage of Priya and Saudari is also is more than any other traveling agency, as the tourists or commuters were aware of the fact that they are low cost operator in the industry. So the expected service and pursued service had a very little gap. The scope and limitation of this study is that CRM applications often used in combination with data warehousing, e-commerce applications and call centers allows company to gather and access information about customers' buying histories and complaints. Customer relationship management is about acquiring, developing and retaining satisfied loyal customers, achieving profitable growth and creating economic value in the company's brand. And CRM provide information regarding customers, their needs, and to build relationship with the company customers database. CRMs are claimed to improve the customer service and help to identify potential problems before they occur. Thank you.
Questions?